Welcome to Python with Turtle Programming. Dear students, I'm thrilled to welcome you to the exciting world of Python with Turtle Programming. This course is designed to be an engaging and creative introduction to the world of coding and computer science, using Python Turtle Graphics Library as your canvas. In this course, you will not only learn the fundamentals of Python programming, but also discover the power of realizing your code through the art of Turtle Graphics. Here's what you can look forward to. Hands-on learning, creativity, supportive community, real-world applications, fun challenges. I'm looking forward to embarking on this learning journey with all of you. Remember that the key to success in this course is curiosity and willingness to explore. Python with Turtle is not just a programming. It's all about unleashing your creativity and imagination. If you have any question or need assistance at any point during the course, don't hesitate to reach out. We are there to help you every step of the way. Let's make this an incredible learning experience together. Get ready to dive into the world of Python and Turtle graphics. And let's code our way to the endless possibilities. Once again, welcome to Python with Turtle Programming. Let's get started.